you're looking to replace your windshield wipers on your 2019 to probably 2024 Subaru Forester, it's hard to find them online, but the Bosch Focus fit. So the FS26OE for the driver's side and the FS17OE for the passenger side. So you're going to open up the packaging, and then you're going to find the number 6. What you basically do is you rip off what's installed, and the directions are pretty terrible, so you just rip it off. It's hard to do with one hand. Take it off. Then you take the number 6. And install that one. Press this little clip and pull up. Again, it's hard with my hand. You just press this clip and then pull up. Press it, pull up. And you take the one you just made, and it should slide right in like that. And some safety check sticker. Then they're installed.